Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're taking a closer look at an app called the Asset Management and Ticketing app. It's by One Click Design.
Right.
And the idea is to figure out, just from its description, how how it works for tracking assets and handling support stuff.
Yeah, let's dig in. What jumps out first, I think, is that it seems to integrate these things. We're not talking separate systems here.
Okay, yeah, integration. Good point. So first up, the ticketing system.
No.
We've all felt that pain, right? Dealing with support issues.
Oh, yeah.
How does having this built into the Asset app, well, how does that help?
Well, what seems really powerful here is the direct link, between the problem ticket and the actual asset it relates to.
Okay.
So imagine like a technician out somewhere. Instead of juggling a separate ticket app and then looking up the asset details somewhere else, they've got it all in one place. That could really speed things up. Diagnosis, making sure the right fix is applied to the right thing, saves time, right?
Totally makes sense. Context is everything there. Okay, then there's asset management itself mentioned. What kind of details about equipment or, resources do you think this covers?
Well, tying it back to the ticketing is probably managing the key stuff, like ID numbers, serial numbers maybe, when it was bought, maybe even its current location. It builds up a whole history for each asset, from purchase through all its support incidents. Super useful for maintenance planning or budgeting for replacements.
Yeah, that complete life cycle view. Okay, next feature. Comments. Seems pretty basic, but how does that fit in?
I think this is all about collaboration, real-time stuff.
Oh, okay.
Instead of messy email chains or chat logs that get lost, teams can just talk right there within the context of that specific asset or that specific ticket.
Ah, so updates, troubleshooting ideas.
Exactly. Sharing findings, it just makes everything much more direct and transparent, less hunting around for info.
Yeah, definitely cuts down on the noise. And the last main bit is attachments. What kind of files would you attach here? What makes sense?
Oh, lots of things probably. You could attach, say, warranty documents or maybe user guides right to the assets record.
Makes sense.
And for a ticket, maybe a technician uploads photos of, like, damage, or even a quick video showing the problem. It's about keeping all the relevant proof and documentation together.
Gotcha. Centralizing everything. Now, the description specifically says it's a custom app, and it's built on Google Appsheet. What does that tell you straight away?
Well, custom app usually means it's been tailored, right? Probably built for a specific company's way of working, maybe handling things that standard software doesn't quite get right for them.
Okay, specific workflows.
Yeah. And being on Google Appsheet is interesting. That platform means it's likely easy to access on different devices, phones, tablets, computers. Plus, it probably integrates smoothly with Google Workspace, which lots of places already use.